In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord verification code problem. If you're waiting on a verification code from Discord and nothing shows up, start with the basics. Make sure you're looking at the exact email address tied to your Discord account, not an old inbox you no longer use. Open your spam or junk folder and also check other auto-sorted tabs like promotions or updates because verification emails can land there. If you registered with a phone number, confirm you've got solid network coverage and that your carrier can deliver SMS to your device. Give it a little time. Verification systems can occasionally run behind, so wait about 5 to 10 minutes before you try anything else. Rapidly requesting new codes can actually slow you down, so let that first request process fully. If the code still hasn't arrived, use the resend code option on the verification screen. That triggers a fresh message. If you've asked for multiple codes in a short window, Discord may temporarily block additional sends for security. In that case, pause for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the temporary limit, then try resend again. Next, consider whether your email or phone service is filtering the message. Some providers are strict with automated mail. Add the @discord.com domain to your contacts or safe senders list so those emails aren't flagged. If the account uses a temporary or outdated email, switch to a current reliable address and update your account info so future codes arrive where you can reach them. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off and try again. Discord may treat sign-ins from masked or shifting IP addresses as suspicious, which can interfere with verification. Connecting directly through your normal network often resolves that conflict. If you're still stuck, clear the Discord app cache on mobile to remove stale data that could be causing hiccups. On many Android devices, you can go to Settings, Apps, Discord, then Clear Cache. On desktop, try signing in from a different browser or use an incognito or private window to rule out extension issues. And if you have access to another device like a second phone, a tablet, or a PC, try the verification there to isolate whether the problem is device specific. Follow these steps patiently and your code should come through successfully so you can finish verifying your account and get back to chatting.